Assalamu alaikum. In this video I am going to tell you about the affiliate program in OneXBet, Megapari, 888starz and OneWin. Look, all these three companies are same. When you receive money in affiliation, you will receive from same place. OneXBet, Megapari, 888starz. Maybe some of their engines are different, but at the core you will receive the money from the same place in these three companies. So there is no doubt that all of these three companies are paying you affiliate program. They are trusted. And about OneWin, I included this because they have little high commission system. They will pay you 50% from revenue share, but at the same time it's very difficult to find the player in OneWin. It is very easy in OneXBet, then after Megapari, then after 888starz. This is also new company and it is working so fine these days, so I included this also. And OneWin is also a very good company. They will provide a good revenue share. This means they will provide you good commission. So in this video I'll explain you benefits, commission, requirements and process to apply in this company, because I have worked for last 4 years with this company and they are paying perfectly. There is no issue with the company. Sometimes if you do frauds, then they will find out and block. Otherwise, if you play yourself using your promo code, and in this case they will block. Otherwise, if you don't play, if you make promo code and give to your friend, if they play, it's perfectly fine. You will be receiving commission for lifetime until they play. So what are the differences between these companies, how much commission they will provide, how to register, I'll tell you in this video. So let's go first to the OneXBet. In OneXBet, look, interface is like this. They have also app which will work, and it is very easy to get approved in this affiliation program and very easy to register also. But if you find any difficulties, I'll provide you WhatsApp in my description. You can contact me, and if you don't know how to register or you will have difficulties with filling the form, then you can contact me. I'll instantly reply you. And maybe sometime you need a mentor. This affiliation is a little bit confusing, and if you need any kind of suggestion, you can always ask me. And at first they will give you 25% commission in OneXBet, and if you have working experience in other platform, you can get 30% also. Means if you submit statistics, if you submit, like if you have work in other companies and if you have did very well there, they can give you 30% also, and they can even increase you. So but the starting is 25%. If it is very easy to find players, so 25% is also a very nice amount. Look, this like this it will come, and it is very trusted. There will be no issue until and unless you make no fraud. If you work with company, if you work with the rules of company, everything is fine. So let's move to the next. So to register, you can go to the description, register, and for promo code activation you can contact in WhatsApp. I'll leave my WhatsApp there. So let's go to the Megapari affiliate program. So it is also very easy to be approved. Same system as OneXBet to register. Maybe you need mentor also, so they give you a little higher commission, up to 40% at first. Also if you have working experience in other platform, you can get 50% also. It is very trusted, and it's not much easy as OneXBet to find players, but still there are a lot of players in India, Bangladesh and so on. So moving to the next. So here you can see the interface. It's same like OneXBet, I told you earlier, and this is new company. And here also you can see it's same like OneXBet. All the interface is like OneXBet and Megapari. It's really easy. And here is also you will get 25 to 40% commission will be given at first. If you have working experience in other platform, you can get 50% also. It is so trusted, no issue. Not much as easy to find players, but one life hack for you. If you tell OneXBet player to make account with your promo code, you have to create OneXBet account again, so it's difficult. Look, and if you tell him to make 888starz, he will make it with your promo code. So it's easy to bring players in this case. If you do like this, it's easy. So in this way you can make them play. Moving to the next part. So all these three companies I mentioned, has same kind of system. Everything is same. You will receive good commission. There is no trust issues, and you will get commission every week. To register, you can go to the link in the description, register, and if you have any problem you can contact me. Now moving to the next part, one win. This is different company. I also give tried it, and this is also nice because they give good commission, because it's 50%. It's very worth it is also easy to be approved, very easy to register. Maybe sometimes you need a mentor. 50% commission will give it at first, and you have working experience in other platform, you can get CPA also. CPA means, suppose if I give you $5 CPA, then if your 10 players make deposit of more than $5 or more than $5, then you will receive 10 into 5, $50. So the minimum deposits will be 5, and if your 10 players make deposits, then you can receive, if your CPA is 20, then you will receive 10 into $20, means $200. So CPA work like this. If you have any confusion about CPA, you can text me. I will leave my WhatsApp, and there is no issue, trust issue. I am not sure. I am also new to this platform, so I don't know if there is trust issue or not. Up to now I haven't faced any issue. Not much easy to find players, it's for true. So if you have any confusion, you can write me in WhatsApp. I'll give you, if you want to register, make promo code in OneXpert, I will help you. In Megapari, I will help you. In 888starz, I will help you. And in OneWin, I will help you. So here is my WhatsApp, here is my Telegram. You can contact.